Hey everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. So first I braided my hair into 77 individual braids and it took me about 6.5 hours to do so. I used Shine and Jam on my roots and Cantu coconut curling cream throughout my hair and to create a curl at the end of each braid. This hair is from the Forever Restore on Amazon and it comes with a crochet hook and some hair jewelry. It also comes with 8 packs of hair for a total of 112 locks. And they are 24 inches, color 1B, pre-looped and synthetic hair. They're also very soft and don't really have a smell to them. The locks are also pretty lightweight and have a shine to them that looks natural. And for reference, I'm 5 foot 3 inches and the locks come to my hip, so they're pretty long. This is how my hair looked after 1 pack or 14 locks were used. And a few of the locks had small pieces of hair sticking out of them. And if I noticed, I'd just cut them off. So to start crocheting the hair, I open up the locks pre-loop, grab the crochet hook, and I insert it underneath the start of my braid. Then I attach the lock to the crochet hook, close it, and I pull the lock a few inches through. Next, I unhook the crochet hook, I open up the pre-loop some more, and I pull my braid and lock through simultaneously. Then I make sure the knot I just created is nice and tight by pulling on the braid and lock in opposite directions. After that, I insert my crochet hook into the center of the lock a few inches down from the start of it, and I make my way to the top of the lock. And I push the hook all the way through. Then I attach the middle or end of my braid to the crochet hook, close the hook, and I pull my braid through. Next, I remove the crochet hook and I twist the lock up and down around my braid to tighten it and better hide my braid. Once that's done, I just repeat those steps until the braid is completely hidden in the lock.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text.
And this is how my hair looked after 2 packs of the locks were used. And this is after 3 packs. And this is after 4 packs, and I was almost finished crocheting my hair at this point. So the hair does come with enough locks to complete your full head. I use Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to do my baby hairs. Then I tied my edges down with a scarf. So this is how the locks turned out. I've done this style many times before and I always like it. It only took me about 3.5 hours to crochet the locks. This hair was very easy to crochet because the locks were so soft and my braids were small. I used 5.5 packs of locks, so I have 2.5 packs left. And the hair also looks very full, but doesn't feel too heavy. It feels lightweight. I also like how my parts turned out. It usually takes me a while to get my parts straight and neat, but with braiding my hair and crocheting the locks, it took me a total of about 10 hours to do this style. I also put some hair jewelry in that I bought from Amazon like a year ago, and I just used a small amount of the silver jewelry and spaced them throughout my locks. But let me know what you guys thought of this style and what other videos and hairstyles you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.